Hey there. Today, I'm diving into some essential financial tips just for seniors. Whether you're planning your retirement or already enjoying it, these tips can help you manage your money more effectively. Let's get started. First up, create a budget. It's crucial to know where your money is going each month. Track your income and expenses and look for areas where you can cut back if necessary. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions. Next, consider downsizing. If you're living in a large home, it might be time to think about moving to something smaller. This can reduce your maintenance costs, utilities, and even your property taxes. Plus, think about all the time and effort you'll save on upkeep. Another important tip is to review your insurance policies. Ensure you have adequate health, home, and life insurance. As you age, your insurance needs may change, so it's wise to reassess your coverage regularly. Don't hesitate to shop around for better rates or policies that better suit your current needs. Let's talk about debt next. If you have any outstanding debt, try to pay it off as soon as possible. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can really eat into your savings. Focus on paying down these debts to free up more money for your essentials and savings. Speaking of savings, don't forget to keep an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can crop up at any time, and having a cushion can provide peace of mind. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account. It's also important to look at your investments. As you get older, your investment strategy should shift to become more conservative. This helps protect your nest egg from market volatility. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to ensure your portfolio is appropriately balanced. Lastly, make sure your estate planning is up to date. This includes having a will, power of attorney, and healthcare directives in place. These documents ensure that your wishes are respected and that your loved ones are taken care of. So, there you have it. Some straightforward financial tips to help you navigate your golden years with confidence. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Take care, and see you next time.